Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send duo request to your friend in the Trust and Price game of Roblox. Okay, first guys, if you want to send the duo request, you can open up this menu. You're going to click on open menu and you'll see the duo option right here. And you're going to pick a duo. Okay, you can select one of your friends and you're going to click on invite right here, and then the duo request will be sent. And after your friend accepts your invitation, you can do the duo during the game in the Trust and Prize game of Roblox. Okay guys, and that's how you can send the duo request in the Trust and Prize game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.